Hello everyone. Today's topic is graph of a linear equation in two variables. Linear equation in two variables का graph कैसे plot करते हैं? Suppose we have a linear equation x plus 2y is equal to 6. Okay. Now first of all we will represent y in form of x. Y को x के फॉर्म में रिप्रेजेंट कर लेते हैं. ओके. नाउ मेक अ टेबल. Here x and y. For different value of x, we will find the corresponding value of y. तो x is equal to 0 पुट करते हैं, तो we will get 3. x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3, x is equal to 4, y is equal to 1 and so on. Okay. x की different value के लिए we will get corresponding value of y. Always try to give x an integral value, क्योंकि उससे क्या होगा, फिर आपको y की वैल्यू भी इंटीजर्स में मिलेगी and you can plot the graph easily. Now we will plot Cartesian plane. This is origin. 6. All positive integers in right hand side, all negatives in left hand side, and upward direction में positive integers and downward में negative integers. Okay, this is called x-axis and this is called y-axis. Now coordinate of x and y here. पहला कोऑर्डिनेट क्या है, 0 and 3. तो this point will be here, 0 and 3. Second is 2 and 2. x is 2, y is also 2. तो इसकी पोजीशन फाइंड कर लेते हैं ऐसे. This point will be 2 and 2. Third one is 4 and 1. This is 4 and 1. Okay, this will be 4, 1. If you join these points, you will get a straight line. Like this. Okay. You see here that all solutions of linear equation lie on these points. So all solution of this linear equation will lie on this straight line, and जो इसके solution नहीं होंगे, they will not lie on this straight line. You can check it. Suppose here is a number 1 and 1. This point does not lie on this straight line, so this will not be solution of this equation. You can check. X plus 2y is equal to 6. In place of x, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So left hand side क्या है, is not equal to right hand side, because left hand side में आपको क्या मिल रहा है, 3, and right hand side में क्या है, 6. तो left hand side is not equal to right hand side. तो जो भी points इस straight line पे lie नहीं करते हैं, they will not be solution of given equation. And conversely you can say that all solution of linear equation in two variables will lie on, जो आप उसका ग्राफ प्लॉट करोगे उस पर वो लाई करेंगे. Clear? So this is the method how you can plot a linear equation in two variables. Now exercise 4.3. First question is, draw the graph of each of the following linear equations in two variables. ये जो भी x प्लस वाई इज इक्वल टू 4, x माइनस वाई इज इक्वल टू 2, तो ये अब यू कैन प्लॉट इट. नाउ सेकेंड वन इज give the equation of two lines passing through 214. How many more such lines are there and why? Question number 2. Equation of line, two lines find करनी है जो 2 और 14 से होके जाती है. Point is given 2 and 14. Suppose it is A. A point है जो 2 और 14 है. Okay. You know that suppose this is your Cartesian plane and this is your point 2 and 14. You know that from one point how many lines can pass? Infinite line can pass through this point. So how many more such lines are there? तो क्या हो जाएगा इसका आंसर? It will be infinite. And आपको दो लाइन की इक्वेशन बतानी है. तो here point is 2 and 14. X coordinate is 2 and Y coordinate is 14. You know the general form of linear equation in two variables. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Now you can write it x plus y. x plus y लिखते हैं तो क्या हो जाएगा? x plus y as x is 2, y is 14. This is 16. वन इक्वेशन तो ये हो गई आपकी. नाउ सेकेंड इक्वेशन कैसे बना सकते हो आप? यू कैन सी हियर दैट x is 2 and y is 14. y is 7 टाइम ऑफ x. You can write y is equal to 7x. This is second equation. Okay. So you can make so many equations like this. Third question is, if the point 3, 4 lies on the graph of the equation 3y is equal to ax plus 7, find the value of a. Given equation is y is equal to ax plus 7. Okay, and it is given that 3, 4 point lies on the graph of the equation 3y is equal to ax plus 7. Means when you will plot graph of this equation, this point lies on this equation. Means this point is the solution of this equation. So अगर ये point इसका solution है तो क्या होगा? It will satisfy 3y is equal to ax plus 7. तो हम 3y is equal to ax plus 7 में इस point को रख देते हैं. Here x is 3 and y is equal to 4. 3 into 4 is equal to a into 3 plus 7. 12 is equal to 3a plus 7 और 3a is equal to 5. a is equal to 5 upon 3. Fourth question is, the taxi fare in a city is as follows. For the first kilometer the fare is rupees 8 and for the subsequent distance it is rupees 5 per kilometer. Taking the distance covered as x kilometer and total fare as rupees y, write linear equation for this and draw its graph. Here total distance कितनी है? Total distance is equal to x kilometer. फिर आफ्टर कवरिंग 1 किलोमीटर रिमेनिंग डिस्टेंस क्या हो जाएगी? x माइनस 1. फेयर फॉर 1 किलोमीटर कितना है? 8 rupees. Okay, and fare for x minus 1 किलोमीटर ये क्या है? सब्सिक्वेंट हो जाता है उसके बाद 5 rupees. तो 5 इंटू एक्स माइनस 1 हो जाएगा. ओके, अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन लिखेंगे 8 प्लस 5 इंटू एक्स माइनस 1, टोटल फेयर कितना दिया यहाँ पे y, तो 8 प्लस 5x माइनस 1 इज इक्वल टू y। इसको सिंप्लीफाई कर लेते हैं, 5x प्लस 3 इज इक्वल टू y, तो दिस इज योर y, दिस इज y, 5x प्लस 3 इज इक्वल टू y, ये तो आपकी लीनियर इक्वेशन निकल गई। नाउ हियर वन मोर थिंग इज गिवन, ड्रॉ इट्स ग्राफ। Equation is y is equal to 5x plus 3. Okay. Now we will make a table for values of x and y. Here x, y, x is equal to 0, y is equal to 3, x is equal to minus 3 upon 5, y is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 8, and so on. It is enough to find two values, but more than two values we find because to check the correctness of the graph. Now we will plot the Cartesian plane. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here negative integers. नीचे के साइड नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स, एंड अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन में पॉजिटिव, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 and 9. Okay. Now x is equal to 0, y is equal to 3. So this is the point here. minus 3 upon 5 और 0, x is minus 3 upon 5, तो ये क्या होगा, नेगेटिव डायरेक्शन में होगा। सपोज दिस पॉइंट इज x is equal to 1, y is equal to 8, it will be here. Okay. Now we will join these points, this and this. You will get a straight line. Equation of this straight line is y is equal to 5x plus 3. This is the graph for y is equal to 5x plus 3. Okay. So practice all questions.